Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today I'm gonna be showing you this amazing hair. Look at that. You can even think it's my own hair. I'm wearing clip-ins from HerGivenHair. They reached out to me and asked me if I was going to do a review of their product, and I was absolutely thrilled to try out their clip-ins.
So this is how the hair comes packaged. And in it you get instructions from HerGivenHair on how to care for the hair. So they tell you what you're supposed to do before you install the extensions, and also how you're supposed to maintain it, like a daily maintenance routine, like how you're supposed to wash your extensions. And it also shows you the different products that you should use for the different types of curl patterns. So the hair comes in different curl patterns. This is the Kinky curl pattern, which resembles people with 4B and 4C hair. I also have the curly one, which is more of types 3C and 3B. Then they also have the coily pattern, which is for people with curl patterns 4A or about 3C. So in the package you also receive a protective headband, which is just supposed to protect your hair at night. And this is how it looks like. So the hair comes packed like this, and it shows you the description, the type of hair that you've ordered and everything. So this is how one bundle looks like, and each bundle comes with about 6 wefts. So 1 weft with 5 clips, 2 with 4 clips, and 3 with 3 clips. And you also receive extra clips for the hair. So it's recommended to wash the hair before installation. So I'm just running it over water, and then I'm going to be using my favorite conditioner, which is the VO5 conditioner, and I'm just going to be working that in the extensions. So this hair instantly becomes so soft when it comes in contact with water. So as you can see, I'm just finger detangling it to remove any tangles, and just to make sure that the extension is fully coated with the conditioner. So you want to treat this hair the same way you would treat yours, so that's why we are washing it. So after that, I'm just going to be rinsing out the conditioner very carefully, also making sure that I'm finger detangling. So when I'm done, I'm going to lay the hair down on a towel just to let it air dry overnight. So this is how the curl pattern looks like after washing it, and now we're just going to unravel the wefts. So this is the next morning, and I'm ready to style my hair. I'm going to be combing it out because I want a more afro look, so I don't really want it to be defined, so that's why I decided to comb it out. So underneath I just have normal regular flat twists, and that's going to hold the clip-ins. So I'll start with the longer weft, and I'm just going to clip it on top of the flat twist. Now I'm taking the 4 clip-in extension, and I'm going to clip it in as well. This is how the front is looking like, and I'm taking the 3 clip-in extension and I'm just going to be adding that on top of the flat twist. So you want to do this very carefully, as in you can just eyeball and see where you need to place the clip-in. Definitely it depends on how you want to style your hair. For me, I chose a side part and I want this other side to be more fuller. So continue adding the clip-ins and making sure that you're fluffing the hair to see how it's going to fall. So I've noticed that I have a bit of space right there, and I'm going to be taking another clip-in and clipping it in because I just want that particular area to be fuller. So this hair comes in the color natural, but my hair is like jet black, guys, and it doesn't really resemble my hair color. But then I think I'm going to be dyeing it later on so that it can match my hair color. Make sure you check the description box down below because I'm going to leave all the details about this particular hair. Now that I'm done and I'm satisfied with how my hair is falling, I'm just going to unravel my leave out. So this is the most important part, guys. You want to make sure that your leave out blends in well with the extensions. So I'm just going to be fluffing that, separating my hair, and then just playing around with it so that I can make sure it completely blends. So far I've used about 6 clip-ins, which is equivalent to 1 bundle, but then I'm going to be adding 1 more clip-in right over there. So in total I've used 7 clip-ins. So I mean, you only need 1 bundle for this particular hairstyle. You don't really have to purchase 2 bundles. So now I'm satisfied with how it looks like. I'm just going to continue blending it. And of course, I'm going to slick my edges just to give it a more natural look. I'm just going to tuck that in so that it can blend seamlessly. And these are the results when I'm done. I absolutely love this hair. It's so full, it's so thick, it's so bouncy. Love it, love it, love it.
So this is the first time I'm trying out this hair. I just washed it yesterday and let it air dry, and it's the first time I'm installing it, and I absolutely love this hair. It's so fluffy, it's so soft. It's super soft. And let me show you guys how much hair I shed after washing it yesterday. This is the only hair that I shed, just this. So as far as maintaining it, I haven't done anything. As I mentioned before, this is my first time installing it, but they have a pamphlet explaining how you can maintain the hair. So I'm gonna read that, and then I'll come back to you guys with another video on how I'm able to maintain the hair. And also I think I'm going to be trying different looks with it because I absolutely love it. It's very versatile because they're clip-ins. You just clip them in and then remove them when you want to go to bed. So yeah, I look forward to trying out different styles and see how I can be able to style it. As I mentioned before, this hair was sent to me by HerGivenHair. You guys can check out their Instagram if you want to have an idea of which texture you should purchase, because they have, as I mentioned, they have the coily, the kinky and the curly hair. So they have very many pictures on their Facebook and their Instagram and also on their website of different ladies wearing the hair, so you can check that out and be able to know which one will suit your own hair. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. Let me know if you want to see more videos on the styling routine and also the maintenance routine. Don't forget to also give this video a big thumbs up to just support my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to hit that bell, which is a button right next to the subscribe button, so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you.